Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a healthy carrot oat muffin. What we're going to do first is combine our wet ingredients. So we have 12 ounces of canned coconut milk and it is unsweetened. We also have 1.5 tablespoons of honey. So we're going to combine the honey in our coconut milk. Now you can use maple syrup if you have maple syrup. We're going to also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's 1. That's 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to whisk this. I'm going to take my spoon out and I'm going to whisk that. Okay guys, so we're going to combine our dry ingredients. So we have 2 cups of almond flour. We're going to also add 1 cup of oats. We're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Two cups of grated carrots. And we're going to combine. We're going to add a cup of walnuts. Now you can use the nut of your choice. We're going to mix well. To this, we're going to add some cranberry. If you have raisins, you can also add raisins. I wanted cranberry. So this is what our muffins look like out of the oven. After 30 minutes, I'm going to allow them to cool down.